Grenzen müssen geschlossen werden. Illegale Migranten müssen ohne Ausnahme abgewiesen werden. Wer sich unberechtigt hier aufhält, muss abgeschoben werden. Kriminelle, Terroristen und Sozialbetrüger, die missbräuchlich eingebürgert wurden, müssen den deutschen Pass wieder abgeben, liebe Freunde. Das und nur das verstehen wir unter Remigration. Die Grenzen müssen geschlossen werden. Illegale Migranten müssen ohne Ausnahme abgewiesen werden. Wer sich unberechtigt hier aufhält, muss abgeschoben werden. Kriminelle, Terroristen und Sozialbetrüger, die missbräuchlich eingebürgert wurden, müssen den deutschen Pass wieder abgeben, liebe Freunde. Das und nur das verstehen wir unter Remigration. Die Grenzen müssen geschlossen werden. Illegale Migranten müssen ohne Ausnahme abgewiesen werden. Wer sich unberechtigt hier aufhält, muss abgeschoben werden. Kriminelle, Terroristen und Sozialbetrüger, die missbräuchlich eingebürgert wurden, müssen den deutschen Pass wieder abgeben, liebe Freunde. Das und nur das verstehen wir unter Remigration. Die Grenzen müssen geschlossen werden. Illegale Migranten müssen ohne Ausnahme abgewiesen werden. Wer sich unberechtigt hier aufhält, muss abgeschoben werden. Kriminelle, Terroristen und Sozialbetrüger, die missbräuchlich eingebürgert wurden, müssen den deutschen Pass wieder abgeben, liebe Freunde. Das und nur das verstehen wir unter Remigration. Die Grenzen müssen geschlossen werden. Illegale Migranten müssen ohne Ausnahme abgewiesen werden. Wer sich unberechtigt hier aufhält, muss abgeschoben werden. Kriminelle, Terroristen und Sozialbetrüger, die missbräuchlich eingebürgert wurden, müssen den deutschen Pass wieder abgeben, liebe Freunde. Das und nur das verstehen wir unter Remigration. Die Grenzen müssen geschlossen werden. Illegale Migranten müssen ohne Ausnahme abgewiesen werden. Wer sich unberechtigt hier aufhält, muss abgeschoben werden. Kriminelle, Terroristen und Sozialbetrüger, die missbräuchlich eingebürgert wurden, müssen den deutschen Pass
abnehmen. Ja, ich habe es verstanden. Aber do you understand? Now we just need to play some games so I don't go absolutely goddamn this fucking Islam shit.
Attack the A point! Attack the B point!
Panzer, 12 Uhr.
Recon reports enemy spotted. Allied forces have captured the zone. The enemy's getting closer to victory.
Okay. What's that? Why will it? Oh, it's a goddamn mark.
Feindspiegel geladen. Panzer, 12 Uhr.
Recon reports enemy spotted.
Kurz! Höhe anrichten! Beschuss! Nach rechts korrigieren! Nach links korrigieren!
Freispiegelgeschoss geladen.
Leopard, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 450 Meter.
The enemy is winning. We've got to counterattack.
Wir wurden getroffen.
Es brennt! Seitenrichtantrieb ausgefallen! Motor brennt!
G4. Highly fucking agitated. Okay, perhaps too angry to play. Perhaps too angry to play today, I don't know. God damn it. Absolutely annoying. My country is falling apart. Everything's just going to shit. Liberalism, socialism, the fall fucking cunts, man.
¡Por abajo! ¡Ajustar hacia arriba!
Tanque, 4 en punto. Alcance, 1000. Leopard, 4 en punto. Alcance, 1000.
¡Objetivo dañado! ¡Objetivo destruido!
Leopard, 4 en punto.
¡Alcance! 1100! ¡Por abajo! ¡Ajustar hacia arriba!
Tanque, 5 en punto. Alcance, 1400.
¡Por abajo! ¡Ajustar hacia arriba!
Tanque, 3 en punto. Alcance, 1000.
¡Acierto!
Tanque, 3 en punto. Alcance,
¡Por abajo! ¡Ajustar hacia arriba! ¡Paró!
tanque, 3 en punto. Alcance.
¡Por abajo! ¡Ajustar hacia arriba! ¡Perforación de blindaje cargado!
Tanque, 3 en punto.
If we don't do something fast, the enemy will win.
Just need to get to safety. Can I not repair or what?
Tanque.
¡Lo golpearon! ¡Cargador inconsciente!
Allied forces have captured the zone.
You must be able to take something while they're goddamn doing the helicopter shit. Where? Oh my god, look at those. Alright, hey. Sweet Jesus.
La pistola está lista para la acción. La acción horizontal preparada.
Look at that. Aggravating. Aggravating. Oh my god. Huh? No short of a goddamn Muslim. What the hell did I 50% off? What do I need? Oh, I don't know how to use that. Elevation, cool branch, blah, blah. I like my speed first, then engine. I'm gonna take that one. Yes. Annoying shit, ain't it? And Ukraine is going to stop gas to Europe. Thank you very much for my money. Fucking Ukraine Nazis. So, oh my god, I should have leveled my aircraft. I forgot. I need to get level 5. Oh jeez, it's just a pain, this game at the current situation. Humongous pain.
¡Tanque! ¡11 en punto! ¡Alcance! ¡1400! ¡Leopard! ¡10 en punto! ¡Alcance! ¡1400! ¡Tanque! ¡10 en punto! ¡Alcance! ¡1200! ¡Tanque! ¡11 en punto! ¡Alcance! ¡1100! ¡Tanque! ¡11 en punto! ¡Alcance! ¡1100! ¡Tanque! ¡11 en punto! ¡Alcance! 950! ¡Tanque! 10 en punto!
God damn it,
¡Alcance! 850!
Where are you at? I'll meet you on the battlefield. Tom, is that a premium Tom? I think so.
400! ¡Tanque! 10 en punto! ¡Alcance! 450! ¡Tanque! 12 en punto! ¡Alcance! 400! ¡Tanque! 1 en punto! ¡Alcance! 350! Allied forces have captured the zone. ¡Tanque! 11 en punto! ¡A quemarropa! ¡Tanque! 9 en punto! ¡Cerca! EMP! 10 en punto! ¡A quemarropa! ¡Leopard! 12 en punto! ¡Alcance! 950! ¡Aviación en camino! Enemy forces have captured the
Ah, goddamn bastard.
11 en punto! ¡Alcance! 500! ¡Leopard! 1 en punto! ¡Alcance! 950! ¡Tanque! 2 en punto!
Then kiss my scouting ass goodbye, you fuck.
¡A quemarropa! ¡Tanque! 1 en punto!
Come on.
¡Tanque! 9 en punto!
Wear him out, wear him out.
¡Tanque! 10 en
Yes,
punto!
yes.
¡A quemarropa! ¡Leopard! 10 en punto! ¡Alcance! 950! ¡Tanque! 10 en punto!
Bastard, bastard! How do you say that? Okay, okay, okay.
¡Alcance! 7-0!
Too cocky, perhaps. Come on. Just wear them out. We got three of the booger.
12 Uhr. Entfernung 750 Meter. Panzer. 12 Uhr. Entfernung 1400
Ah.
Schuss! Nach links korrigieren! 6 Grad! Flieger-Alarm!
Attention to the designated grid zone!
Artilleriestart auf Koordinaten! Charlie! 3! Sturm!
Charlie! 3! Bestätige Koordinaten! Aufgefasst! Abgefeuert!
Panzer! 11
Uh-oh.
Entfernung 400 Meter. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 4. Stören.
Delta 4! Bestätige Koordinaten! Aufgefasst! Abgefeuert!
Halbspiegel
Ei.
geladen.
Artilleriestart auf Koordinaten!
Da. 4.
Happy New Year! Goddamn bastard.
Take him down!
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Tanque. 10 en punto. Alcance 850. Tanque. 2 en punto. Alcance 600. Tanque. 12 en punto. Alcance
What the hell?
600.
What the? Oh. Oh, just reading about the CNN fake news about the attack in Germany. Oh my god. The amount of fucking self-hate, self-loathing is on goddamn fucking incredible. Nah. Jesus Christ. The amount of stupidity among goddamn American liberals is all built fucking livable. So, yes, more. Need to play more games apparently. And the bipartisan shit that's going on, a so-called bipartisan. Oh my god, man, Americans. And socialism, liberalism, oh dear sweet lord. Liberalism, liberalist, they hate you and your family. Socialists, they want to keep your child hungry and poor.
Nos golpearon. Tanque. 12 en punto. ¡A quemarropa! ¡Falló la tracción de elevación! ¡Tanque! 1 en punto. ¡Cerca! ¡Tanque!
That was, oh my god. Thanks for the noble self.
¡Nos golpearon!
Attention to the map! Attention to the designated grid square! Attention to the map! Attention to the map!
62. I just shot him. You know what? There's no shame in that. I need a mouse. I'm going to buy myself a mouse. Yes.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten! Delta! 2! Zerschlagen! Delta! 2! Bestätige Koordinaten! Abgefasst! Abgefeuert! Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten! Delta! 2! Niederhalten! Delta! 2! Bestätige Koordinaten! Abgefasst! Abgefeuert! Thank you. Flieger! Panzer! 2 Uhr! Im Nahbereich! Getroffen! Wir wurden getroffen! Panzer! 1 Uhr! Nah!
Attention to the designated grid zone.
Mercy.
Just keep it up, and victory will be ours.
Oh, this is intense. You know, I'm not that good at commenting. Yes, so it's a learning experience.
Attention to the designated grid zone.
Panzer! 1 Uhr!
What the hell?
Attention to the designated grid zone!
Should have shot this goddamn thingy. The pointy stick. Okay. I want the bomber, come on. When can I get my bomber? Ah.
Aviazione in cammino!
¡Tanque! ¡12 en punto! ¡Cerca! ¡T-72! ¡12 en punto! ¡A quemarropa!
Aviazione in cammino!
¡Tanque! ¡12 en punto!
Obiettivo completato! Ora trinchera!
Yeah, intense. Intense. Yeah, I'm sure. Mostly, I'm positive that Angela Merkel was a fan of the funny hat people, perhaps of guilt or something like that. What did we just buy? Did we buy that? We got airstrike. Adjustments for fire. We got that. Blah blah. So we're gonna take this and that. See, crew training. Aviation. Let's see where we left off with that big retardedness from the Jägermeister. 139. Yeah. So I'm gonna get that one, and we are going to level all the way down here on this line, because we will go straight for the jet. Could have sworn I had my coke here. Apparently not. Just a second. Opening that stupid plastic bottle reminds me every day about the inefficiency of the European Union. Importing terrorists, but making sure your cap won't fall off the bottle. So, how's the situation here? 47, blah blah blah. Ah, thank God, North America. Wasn't something here I could press on the... I can press on the L's or something? Yeah. Oh. Then they dance. That's not exactly like pole dancing. So okay. just wanted to. Perhaps I shouldn't play. Oh my god. 2C TV. I need to watch that.
A socialist, pro-Islamic socialist, he did his post minutes before the attack. Minutes before the attack happened. Because Elon Musk was talking about the rise of AFD, right? He said, Hamza, the world's richest man endorsing the far right in Germany, a party that proudly adopted being anti-Islam as official policy, and had a whole chapter of the manifesto titled Islam.
Oh, jeez. I should have the other ones now.
Hamza Yusuf,
That is so misleading.
that the political party in Germany has adopted anti-Islam policy. Is he so surprised? Does he now understand why we have the rise of this mentality? Does he understand? He still hasn't deleted that post, by the way. He's still proud of it. He's still blaming the far right. There's a reason the AFD is coming. There's a reason this is what we're used to. In Germany, in Sweden, in the UK, in France. These are Christmas markets. The barriers. Look at the barriers. You try to go into a Christmas market every year, you have to go through checkpoints. And somehow, in Magdeburg, clearly the security barrier was not good enough because the car managed to, the guy straight, they decided to managed to drive into it. Despite the armed police crawling around, despite the taxpayer money being funded and being
Yeah, they were checking grandmas for small knives in their purses instead of checking the usual
And
suspects.
you wonder why the AFD in Germany is coming up?
Oh no, what a fucking surprise, dude.
Having said that, Wizardgrad 24 also mentioned that the German police are now evacuating a second Christmas market in the city of Erfurt. We are trying to get more information about what is going on across the country in Germany because obviously there's massive high security right now across the country and all the Christmas markets, and they are closing down obviously.
Closing down Christmas market. We should close down every mosque.
Now, they are closed down, but in terms of actually shutting them down temporarily, and earlier on they evacuated the other Christmas markets. So this is what you have to deal with now. Every single year, Christmas, there's a war on Christianity, war on Christians, and war on Western values. Ordinary, innocent people. These idiots are not targeting the governments or soldiers. They are targeting innocent civilians. Now, Wizardgrad 24 also said, Germans are more likely to ban cars than to address the root causes of the terror attack. I mean, yes, when you look at the current class of politicians in power, the coalition in Germany, yes, they would probably choose to ban cars because it's the car that did it, right? Not the actual man. Not the Arab. See the issue? No, that was supposed to be like...
And that was that game.
A joke, but there is truth into it. You wonder why the AFD is coming up in Germany. Well, have a look at the situation. Let's get some reaction quickly from you guys. We got super chats. Where is it? There we go. Thank you. So Starmer and Putin have a lot in common. Not sure which part of it. Ryan says, thank you, Ryan. This was clearly an innocent doctor with mental health issues. He now deserves to stay in a hospital 3 meals a day and TV plus recreational activities. They are going to come out and say mental illness. Just wait. They're going to come out and mention mental illness, or he was lonely, or his wife left him, or whatever. This is an insult on every single person who deals with mental illness. There are many people in this world who are having massive challenges when it comes to mental health. Does not mean, by default, they are lunatics who are going to go around and kill people. You're insulting people who have mental illness. You can't just go around and say anybody who does something bad, they're just mentally ill. That's a terrible excuse. Absolutely terrible excuse. Mike, thank you, says, what happened to the Brigadier Oath Yeah, do not harm, yep. Useless Yusuf Hamza should be arrested for hate speech. Well, it wasn't really hate speech, but you know. Graham says, watch the BBC blame this on the rise of the AFD. They're already doing it anyway. Yeah, Graham is right. Thank you, Graham. Another non-super chat. Wow, so he's actually working here. Initially I thought he was a tourist, but if he worked here, he actually had a visa. So he does, he's not dead, obviously he's still alive. He does have permanent residence. He's a Saudi national. He came to Germany in 2006. He's been a doctor at the local hospital nearby, Magdeburg, and now he did this. So, also just a big shout out to everyone. This screen, you can see the number of subscribers has now gone up from 738,000 to 739,000. Thank you so much for the support, ladies and gentlemen. There's another super chat. Christy, thank you very much. Christy saying they appeal to fear and guilt by constantly throwing out isms and phobias. In America, it took enough abuse by the mainstream media and celebrities before they stopped having the intended effect. I agree, Christy. Yeah.
Amen.
Doctor. This is what you get. You know, they said all the migrants are doctors and scientists, right? All the migrants. Here's your migrant doctor. Look what he did. I did say it's not going to be a Christian from Israel. Idiocy, absolute idiocy. Going back to some non-super chats as well. Blue Sapphire says, did they claim he has mental problems? And that doesn't excuse murder. He had bombs in his car. Yeah, he wanted more cars. Yeah, this was not a moment of madness, as they are going to claim, right? He clearly planned this. This was pre-planned. You don't just lose your temper and you lose your sanity, and then suddenly spend days or weeks or whatever, plan explosives, plan the route, do the actual operation, and then say, oh well, I lost the moment for a second, lost my mind. We'll see what the excuse is going to be. So far, obviously, they haven't told us, because they have said that the authorities confirmed he was not on any watch list. Another super chat from Stuart saying they don't target the police or the elite. How many people have to die before the government acknowledge that Islam doesn't belong in civilized countries? No, I don't think they're ever going to even say that. But it's also not, at this point, it's not really just about the ideology of Islam. You do have a big problem in Western Europe because of the overall concept of multiculturalism. And, you know, people keep saying multiculturalism as in there are people with different cultures. Let me tell you, there are some people from certain places in this world, and depending on the cultural class, generally speaking, you can't actually even claim that they have a culture. You can't just use the word culture. I know I still use the word multiculturalism because that's the layman term that's easy to say. But not all cultures are equal, and not all cultures should be considered culture. It's a cultural mentality when you are barbaric, when you have no heritage, and no set of basic values of humanity. If you don't believe in life, there is no culture there. That's the whole point. It's the same when people say, oh well, some people will be underclass. Some people are just classless. You just don't have any class. And I'm not talking about financial class. I'm talking about etiquette, attitude, your ethics. But yes, my point is, because of mass migration and segregation, all the different pockets and all the ghettos.
Oh my god.
You can't even tell who's who. You can't even tell the degree of different levels of culture.
Okay.
So
there's nothing
primarily,
else about the
a lot of the problems are coming from the Islamic side. We know that. But you could actually have a situation where somebody from a barbaric tribe who doesn't actually necessarily believe in God or whatever, but they are still barbaric. They're coming to civilized parts of the world, causing trouble will get the blame if you complain about it. Because you can't complain about some people from parts of the world being barbaric, because that's politically incorrect. I'm not saying anybody who's not from Europe is not civilized. I mean, there are good people from Japan, there are good people from UAE, Dubai, they are civilized. We are simply saying there are also barbaric people.
Oh my god, what's happening here?
That is the issue. If you don't have basic morality, then we call Western values, it's universal values at this point. If you still believe that killing people is okay, well, you're not civilized. Coffee and Cake says if they use mental health excuses, then why was he allowed to still be a doctor? Well, that's the other problem. If they do go with that line, with the position of mental illness, then there's a lot of questions about who knew what and when, his colleagues and the hospital, if it's genuine, right? Why was he allowed to still operate as a doctor? Maya, do you think this alleged killer used his doctor credentials to gain closer access to the market by claiming he was acting as a medic to cover the market? That is also interesting because, again, we haven't seen... Obviously, we showed you the footage. It was, I believe, like a CCTV footage from the top where it shows the car going and hitting the crowd, right? We've only seen that part, right? The actual moment. I'm not there. I haven't actually seen the actual layout of the Christmas market and where the barriers are. As I showed you, the images that we showed you, generally speaking, Christmas markets, especially in Germany, they have proper barriers, right? How did he go through the actual tough barriers? So perhaps he managed to go past the barriers normally, and then once he was inside the market, he decided to accelerate. So whether he did this, whether, as this person says, used an excuse, credentials to basically allow him to just enter the market normally and then go crazy. Perhaps he did that. Or maybe another excuse. But I just cannot see, even though I don't know how the barriers look, the security barriers at that market, they all look relatively similar. You can't just drive into it, right? Unless it was just a basic fence, which they don't do that. So, somebody clearly opened the gate. I mean, hopefully the investigation will explain more, and perhaps more footage will come out at some point. We'll keep you guys posted. Thank you, Robert, saying, how many attacks will Europe have before they draw the lines, connect the dots, and admit the truth? This has been going on, in terms of regular attacks, now been going on for about 20 years now.
So I guess there is...
Still nothing.
Airfields. I'm gonna take that one.
Love you, bro. But these sleepers sleep for decades. You're allowed to say it, but he wasn't on the watch list. I know I'm allowed to say it. No one said I'm not allowed to say it. TCTV, we've been reporting on sleeper cells, especially those linked to the IRGC, for the past few years. We know sleeper cells exist. We don't know. I'm not going to randomly, if I'm reporting something, I have to give you the facts. If I'm giving my opinion, I'm always saying this is my opinion. If I speculate, let's say speculate. If I'm reporting, I'm not going to say, I now report that he was a part of a sleeper cell. I don't know. Could. You never know, because the whole point of sleeper cells, you can't tell who it is and what they're doing. But, you know, I'm allowed to say it. Yeah, but I don't know if it was. That's the point. We can speculate, but I don't know.
Grøn omstilling behøver ikke at være svært.
Yes, as I said, as the other person said, you know, he could have easily used his doctor's, well, medical credentials to be able to go through the actual barrier without actually forcing his way into it. Because as I said, it's unlikely that you can just go through the barriers without damaging your car. You can stop the whole point of the barrier to stop the car. So it's clearly somebody opened it. Nancy says simulation doesn't work.
Yeah.
Also,
Somebody's
in the middle
here.
of this mess, we just had the Islamic State taking responsibility before the identity of the man was actually revealed, right? The Islamic State took responsibility. Nobody asked you that these people, and if you're wondering why ISIS is coming out to take responsibility, why are they lying?
How dead am I?
Let's not forget.
How dead am I? There is this. Where is he?
These are the same people whose own book and political ideology since the 6th century has been based on plagiarism. They plagiarized, they copied, and then mistranslated things from the Torah, the Bible, and even the Talmud, and then wrote a book based on messed up chapters that had no connections to each other. And the Quran was created, and they're like, well, we are now also an Abrahamic religion. You can't just self-identify as an Abrahamic religion. So the whole, the birth of the ideology was based on plagiarism. Why are we surprised that ISIS is now coming out to take responsibility for something they didn't do? That's what they always do. So let's just ignore what the Islamic State is saying. A bunch of weirdos. They just want attention. So I'm not even going to talk about them anymore. It's just so weird. So weird. Says that don't they do regular mental testings for doctors? I don't know what they do in Germany. And now we're going to have extra security and probably temporary closures of Christmas markets. Definitely in Germany, but probably even in the UK and other places as well for the next few days. And we're literally only days away from Christmas. There are people who are planning to go to these places to have fun, to enjoy some time with their loved ones. I mean, there are people who have now lost their lives tonight. There are people who are seriously injured tonight. They didn't plan this. They didn't even think it could happen in their city. Although the city was already extremely diverse. Diversity is our strength, in case you didn't know. Yeah, he got choked by an angel while writing his scripture. For the record, he was also not literate. That's the whole point. Somehow he managed to write a book. And he apparently was choked by an angel. I love how people didn't question it. Like, you sure that happened? Somewhere around the bullet says that enough is enough, no more. Again, the other problem I have is why is the media still so shameless? Absolutely shameless. This is the problem. Don't they have any level of humanity? I showed you the reporting from all the newspapers, right? And the broadcasters as well. In case you missed it. Done so much reporting, I don't even know what's what anymore. Yeah. Look at this. Car driving into crowd. Car drives into Christmas market. Car plows into German Christmas market. This is just, it's just weird. Cars don't drive into markets. Again, if this were 10 years ago, 5 years ago, even 3 years ago, we would say they're just idiots, right? The media will have to learn. They know by now. They are completely shameless. They don't care. They lie to you. Some out of fear, some are complicit because they hate you more than they fear, for example, the terrorists or anything on the culture. I live in the Netherlands. I always go to Germany to a Christmas market, but this time I didn't go because we have a radical Muslim living in Europe. This is insane. In fact, I and my fiancée, Danielle, we were actually supposed to be in Germany tonight. This weekend, we were supposed to be in Germany, not Magdeburg, and we were supposed to be with our friends, who are German. We were supposed to go to a Christmas market. I mean, it was interesting because I've been reporting on the Christmas markets a few weeks ago about the securities and everything else. In my head, I wasn't even thinking, because we kind of forget. We take this thing and it's like a casual thing. We don't get surprised anymore. So then you don't even think about, oh, I've decided to go to the Christmas market. Maybe I should think about the threat of it, like terrorism. No, we don't even think about it. We just keep living our lives like everything's normal. And I'm to blame as well, because I didn't even think about that. Now, obviously, imagine if I'd picked this place and I'd gone there, and if I was there tonight. Fortunately, we couldn't actually make it to Germany because everything got busy, and we have a wedding to prepare now, and plan, and we got Christmas and everything else. So we're just going to go to Winter Wonderland in London, which probably is best not to go now, because I think for the next few days there's going to be high alert. And you never know, because you're going to have other people being inspired by one attack, and usually there's second attack and third attack in random places. People mentioning in the live chat Angela Merkel's name, that disgusting, absolutely vile traitor of Germany. She's still not accountable. Angela Merkel. You opened the door to chaos. While we are here, let me just get some more updates for you guys. I just want to see if there's any more videos. By the way, let's not forget there was only a few days ago when the pro-Syrians were walking around Christmas markets in Essen in Germany with the Syrian flags, and people were saying that's just normal, right? No, nobody was questioning it. Like, oh, well, it's just multiculturalism. Syrians are going around just marching through Christmas markets like there's no tomorrow, right? In case you missed that mess, when you don't do anything about what I'm about to show you, then these things happen. Let's quickly go to the Syrians in Christmas markets in Germany. Now you might ask yourself, why do they have to march through a Christmas market, right? It's a show of force and strength. It's the same reason that when they end up blocking roads, public roads, as a big group to randomly do their prayers, when we have thousands and thousands of mosques across Europe. When they can go into a mosque, they block a road. It's to show off. It's to show strength that we are here. Look at the numbers. That's the point. But we have to be welcoming. The whole point is, it's not really about individuals. It's the ideas. You have to challenge ideas. All ideologies must be challenged. But we're not even allowed to criticize the idea. Because they say, well, you're being mean to brown people. Really? Really? Okay. Okay, dear. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining. If anything else comes up, I'll come back. But otherwise, we've had a busy day on TCTV. If you're new to the channel, feel free to watch the previous reports we had throughout the day. We talked about Canada. Obviously, Trudeau's now preparing his lawful resignation to leave office eventually. We also talked about the situation with myself and other new media outlets who want to visit Tommy Robinson, our friend, in prison. We now have to sign a gagging order and an NDA because we will not be able to tell you what we discuss. And of course we talked about Jeffrey Epstein's friend, who's now going to be the ambassador from the UK to the United States. Go watch all the reports if you can. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Maya Tusi, and we are the media.
Across the open roads of Europe, from the towering Alps to the windswept plains, a journey begins. A journey that carries more than just vehicles. It carries trust, precision, and excellence. This is Ruven Trans.
So, there you have it. Straight from somebody who really doesn't care. What do we have here? Armored targets, universal, yada yada, who cares? Let's go and bomb some shit.
The enemy has captured the airfield. We can't let them keep it.
Oh, sweet Jesus.
We need to put more pressure on the enemy. They're winning.
Didn't hit? Oh my god. Aye. Oh my god, I suck at playing this game. It's so hard. It's so I want to be so bad. Oh, sweet Jesus.
If we don't do something fast, the enemy will win.
Did they go land?
The enemy will win.
It's gonna be a long ride. Insufferable long ride. Anything to defend me with, I think I'll take stamina. Perhaps. Second one, no. Third one, no. Down, bank. The aftermath. Listen to this fantastic European invention. A bottle cap that sticks on and just annoys the crap out of people. Other nations, they got spacecraft. Annoys the crap out of people. Yes. Yes. Today I also wanted to do a video about getting the Orcus laser to work on my 3D printer. So, yes, we're gonna try the bump. Gonna take that, take this. Oh, bump series, all. Very high ping.
Affirmative. I agree.
So much Spanish. This must be America. I'm gonna stop playing now. Not these small battles. It's not gonna happen.
Guide on me.
He's gonna at the A2, A20, yeah. He's gonna bomb the crap out of that one, I think. No, I didn't. We're gonna give it. Oh, no, we're not gonna give it anything. He's bombing that shit. He's pumping that shit. Drop the whole load at once. And where is that bugger? On my tail.
Follow me.
Let's keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
I hope I hit something. Where is he?
Keep it up and victory will be ours.
Somebody, cover me! Bravo!
Let's pump some shit. Pump, 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 pump. Oh, wrong pumps. Let's see.
Affirmative.
God. A win is a win. I can buy this one now. Oh my god. Talk about a major fail. What the hell did I do? Jesus Christ, I thought this one. It didn't look 6.3, of course. Yeah, we got that qualified then. There's no way around it. Need to play one more game or two. Stupid fuck. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. The fail is I don't know. The fail is grotesque. No, I can't even press battle. Jesus. Let's look at the research again here. So if I do I really want to go through this route? Or hear me out. Should I just level all of these in a row? Perhaps. Just concentrate on line 1 or 2. And stop leveling all the shit. Yeah, but it's automatically gonna stop soon. Yeah. Soon. No. Perhaps too late for aircraft. 6, 7. 35. Should be able to get a match. Yes. So, where should I go and fail? If I think I'm going to choose this one. Jeez, see, and why I do not play real battles? I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. Yeah, I just sniffed at it, but you know, with my skill set, I really don't. But we shall try after this one. Let's try one battle. I can only fail. P-51 is going to gun me down. Let's see if I can run away a bit. It's tough being a bomber, and now I just need to correct that failure and buy the other one. Look at that. Was that was that tracers I saw? Oh shit. I for cutting off engines. Oh no, I didn't. Look at the P-51. I knew that. Oh jeez. But you know, maybe we just should relax with those and fail with this one. Let's see if I can hit any ground targets. Of course, some bumpers if there are any up high from the enemy. Doesn't look like it. We got P-51s and another jet down there, and of course one that has passed to the afterlife. Jeez, let's see how far close I can just try to engage. Oh, there's one. He's probably gonna get blown out into the sky. Ah. We shall definitely try to have some taste of victory.
We need to put more pressure on the enemy.
How is this looking? Oh my god, I'm again one of the highest levels. Too bad for my teammates, man. He's bleeding. Let's see here. Not hit. Just left gear. This is my triangle. Shall we hide in the about this guy? Clouds. See. Bloody hell, that I haven't managed to kill it yet. P-63. They're all gonna eat me like I'm so sushi. Should we try just to... Oh my god, no, we should not. We need to reload first. Even though if I fire 10 shots, then I probably gonna have a jam or something. So we need to stick here until we are reloaded. What's that? Spitfires. But he's gonna try to kill me. I'm not even loaded yet. Oh my sweet Jesus. How did he go? Sometimes I really miss some virtual reality. That was so sad. Look at that. Now I can fail. Let's see if I can help my buddy out there. If I could just try to hit the bugger. Whoa. Pass out. Oh jeez, my man is heavily out. Oh, even a blind chicken can find grain. Oh my god, I am allowed to be lucky sometimes. Go away, go away. Go away. Can I get this one? This one. They're trying to kill my ass. I didn't hit it. But you know, 30 millimeters with one shot every century. That's not goddamn fast. We'll try the bomb again. We got the. Let's hope they're all at the ground level now, so we can exploit that shit, and we will try to.
The enemy is winning. We must counterattack.
Yes, of course, but if I just can get some score here. Immediately in danger, but I don't think we should shoot at the first one, because that's a G8 and definitely not first. So we need to get into line speed while we're pumping, and we're going to do a serious drop, something like that.
Destroy hostile base.
The enemy is winning. We must counterattack.
Maybe we should go this way. Bum 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 bum. Come on. How is it looking? I think I killed that one. No? Yes. And we're gonna time bomb after that one. It's gonna be overkill, but who cares? Because we lose anyways. because I am the highest level. Huh? Poor bastards. Really? Now that one's gonna die probably. Really? That was unlucky. Oh, the animosity sometimes in this game. It's pretty nasty. It is a game, it's not a matter of life and death.
The enemy is winning. We've got to counterattack.
Kill that airbase with this aircraft alone. That's for sure. I think also I need to go to play tanks since people are so aggravated. Can't stand those people. Okay, this is getting a little bit tedious. So yes, we are going for tanks.
If we don't do something fast, the enemy will win.
Yes. Indeed. So that's complete. Now I can buy myself that long range bomber and continue the grind. If I did not use all the money, look at that. So it was this one, god damn it. Like that. And now I need a crew for this one. Should I just play one extra so I can crew it up? So modifications of this was fully leveled, and so is that one. So we are going to take the highest one. No, that's just, no, it doesn't matter. Okay, one more. Have I heard that often lately? No, yeah, one more. Perhaps we should try or not. I'm gonna go back to the United States, North America, and getting yelled at. Or something. Oh, sweet Lord. Sweet Jesus. Please, please, please. 635666673. Oh, thank God for that. So we can fail with good conscience. Let's see. We will go for B straight away. So, Christmas, what is the time going away? Oh, sweet Lord. 0. Yeah, almost 1 o'clock here in southern Denmark. So I think I need to go to the sleep.
The enemy has captured the airfield.
Am I alone?
Act and fast. We captured the airfield. We must not let the enemy recapture it.
No. Run away! Wait. Let's see, we need to fight another day. We need to just rejoin the group. Let's see if I can manage to bug out. Yeah. I didn't notice that one. Pumping past it. Jose Hartmut. That was a goddamn fail, and look at that bastard. Where are you?
The enemy has captured the airfield.
Aye. Oh, error in my again, error in my tactics and getting the grip of this. Let's use the small ones. Okay. I just can see somebody's right there. You fucking bastard! Well, let's see if we can help this guy out.
The enemy is winning.
So, he's He's in front. Again, failing to have good enough situational awareness. Let's see. Who's that's a Swedish bastard. That's a German. Should I right? But you know what? We're going for the Swedish one. Juliet, come on, give me some sugar. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. They got my. Did they get my pilot here? We shall try to land. This is a very good lander. We should try to land on C.
We've captured the airfield. Now we
Of
need to
course,
hold it.
and we survive all the way to B. That is the question.
Cover me!
Who said cover me? I have pretty awesome cannons on this, but it's not that good. Oh, wow, look at that. That's an America. Huh? I cannot turn fast. Very lousy turning. Oh! Hey! Can we land? Can we land?
We need to put more pressure
Oh.
on the enemy. They're winning.
Cannot. No, we can't. Of course we can't. Next plan, we're still gonna land on B. We're gonna take the kleine jet.
Most of the strategic zones are captured. Cover me.
Oh, last time he got me killed. God damn it. We need to land, and I should aim for somewhere around here.
Somebody cover me!
Just can. That's Jose Hartmut. You can see you bastard. There, I think my landing gear here are very slow, so I will just drop them now. Yeah, look at that.
Thank you very much.
Cut off engines. Oh, there they are. Ooh. Let's see if we can't get the bastards down. Come on! Come on! Aye! Anyways, that still counts as a partial win. So shall we try
Another zone
to...
captured, we have the advantage.
Do we got something to bump? No. Should we just try to take this one out for a spin? Got nothing on it. They're trying to land. Let's go and join the posse.
The enemy has captured the airfield. We've got to act fast. We're ahead of the enemy.
speeding this shit up. Just need to follow. Is he trying to land? Motherfucker. There he is. Germans are very good at vertical shit. But no match for our buddies. You see? On the airfield? Meme? Germans gonna rise, of course. This, I can't remember. You bastard. If do I got no, of course I do not got to combat snaps. No.
We've captured most of the strategic zones.
Turn. You cannot steal kills anymore, you bugger. That's invisible. There he is. But you know, I'm looking for a runway. Actually, come on, you can do it. Run first. That was inevitable. Meme Slayer. Yeah, nice name.
Attack the sea point. Ba-da-ba-ba.
Excuse me.
Posiciones de la tripulación.
¡Silencio! Conductor listo. Artillero listo. Carguen perforación de blindaje.
Enemy forces have captured the zone.
¡Dron explorador lanzado!
The enemy is winning. Allied forces have captured the zone. Most of the zones are taken by the enemy.
Ah. No.
fahren. 11 Uhr. Entfernung 550 Meter. Hubschrauber 1 Uhr. Attack the A-Point! T-64, 11 Uhr. Entfernung 350 Meter. Artilleriestart auf Koordinaten. Charlie 1. Stören. Nein! Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst. Abgefeuert.
The enemy controls most of the strategic zones.
Attention to the map!
We need to put more pressure on the enemy. They're winning.
¡Tanque! ¡9 en punto! ¡Alcance! 650.
Por abajo, ajustar hacia arriba. Por abajo, ajustar hacia arriba.
Misión fallida!
Okay, that was it. Anyways, is there somebody on now? Oh. I don't know what that map